double vlogging right now. We are going to Riomaggiore, or I guess the area, the province, or whatever is Cinque Terre. But the small town we're going to, it's actually really cool because Kunal knew about it, and I knew about it, but like differently. And so I knew about it from like an Instagram video, and he was like, oh,
I didn't know about it.
and I was like, oh, I don't know what Cinque Terre is. But then I looked up, I was like, wait, is it Riomaggiore? And then I looked, and it was, and it's this town that I wanted to go to 2 years ago because I saw it on Instagram, and I never got to go. But oh my God, is it so beautiful from the pictures and the videos. So I am so excited. So we gotta take some trains to get there. It's like a 2.5 hour train ride, which sucks, but we're staying the night so that way we don't have to deal with that today. And we'll go to Pisa tomorrow, so that'd be cool.
Pretty much everything that Tyler said. Yeah, we're going to the train station right now. Gonna take a 2.5 hour train, get down to Cinque Terre, and hopefully have a good time. I plan on looking for a cafe or something so I can write and write my postcards and whatnot. Just a backpack today, and we are on the way. I never would have imagined there to be a Five Guys in Florence.
It's so crazy.
That is kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Made it onto the train. You know, we're just excited to go to Cinque Terre today and finally go to the beach. Have a anime slice of life beach day episode, you know. So we're staying at an Airbnb over there, and we're just ready to seize the day. We made it to Pisa. We are on the way to transfer trains. It's pretty packed, but we are on the way to Cinque Terre. I think we're on the right train. I think we are. My nose looks really fucking huge here, man. I sure hope so. Almost there. Prepare yourself. It's coming. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Damn.
What do you think?
That's just breathtaking.
Breathtaking.
I gotta get my camera out for this one because it's just so beautiful. I can't believe what I'm seeing.
This is beautiful. Look at that.
Man, I hope you guys can see it in the camera.
Yeah, I don't think the camera does it justice.
I don't think it does.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
We just arrived at Cinque Terre, and we're waiting for our Airbnb host, Stefano. We can't find him, but this place is very beautiful. Look at that. Architecture is beautiful. The weather is not so beautiful, but we have hope that it's going to get better, and that's all that we're hoping for. But as of right now, we just want to go drop our stuff off and kind of decompress a little bit, then grab some lunch, then head to the beach. Nice. We found our guide. Wow. Right up that nostril. main street.
It's a small grocery. What do you want to eat for dinner? It's better.
Good.
This for pizza, for pasta.
Pizza, pasta. Oh, good.
The other restaurant is better for fish. For
Oh, nice.
for fish food. Welcome in Riomaggiore, ragazzi.
Ah. Thank you. Look at that. Beautiful. Awesome. Nice. Very nice. Oh, there's a sofa. Okay, cool.
Yeah, that works.
I'll sleep on the sofa. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful.
If you the church of Riomaggiore, and then up from the church is the castle, then from the church you come back to the train station.
Awesome.
Nice.
This way.
So who wants to sleep in that room back there? That's a really big bed.
That's obviously the best bet.
I don't
Yeah.
care. Generally, I don't
Can we
care.
do three-way rock, paper, scissors?
We can try.
Sure. Kunal, you like stiff beds, right?
I do prefer a stiff bed.
Okay. Lay in each bed.
Let me go for that one. I'm gonna be honest. That is the stiffest bed, but this one will do as well because it's like right.
That's the
wood is
stiffest bed, that's
That's
interesting.
yeah. It's like right next to the wood.
Okay, sounds good.
I like a stiff bed.
I wonder.
How about you guys feel the beds now?
Okay. Well. Yeah.
On go. Rock paper scissors.
Scissors, go. Yeah.
Shoot.
fine.
What? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Somewhere up there. This is so crazy. Beautiful. There's my microphone again. What do you think, Tyler?
Wow.
Wow, indeed. I don't think videos or picture will do this place justice, that's for sure. We're gonna go grab some lunch now, try some pesto, since that's what we've been recommended. That pesto here is incredibly delicious, so we're gonna go try to find something and grab a bite. We got something. I don't know what this is, but
I don't know.
looks like a whole lot of something. The good view. What more can you ask for, right? A little macchiato. Beautiful view.
I don't want the sucker. Chemicals? Oh, yeah.
Alright. I just gotta look past everything.
Posso cambiare?
This pesto looks really good. My camera's making it look like it's like radioactive green. Look at that.
Oh yeah, it is. It's fine.
Look at Tyler. Point this at your thing.
Yeah.
This looks amazing. What a great view. I can't ask for anything better in life. You know, life is good. Update. This is some of the best pesto I've ever had in my life. It is so good. And change because I'm wearing shorts. And with this weather, it just sucks because but dude, these steps are actually vertical. Holy fuck, dude.
You know what? I think I'm gonna do the same as you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. This place is so beautiful. Makes me very happy. And now it's time to take some cool pictures.
Yeah, when it's not like cloudy, hopefully tomorrow, it's gonna be so.
We are still exploring Cinque Terre. We don't really know where we're going, but we're having a good time. Look at this beautiful view. Oof.
The menu's outside too.
For what, for food?
I say we walk to the other side.
Yeah, it's good to the other side.
I see they got pasta though.
We're on the hunt for a restaurant to eat some dinner. We just had some little snack
Sell by the slice.
at this one place. God, I think it was called Al Pie de Mar. It was really cool because it was nestled on top of a cliff that overlooks all of the bay here in Cinque Terre. And now we're just kind of going back to where we started. Back through the tunnel. I got something.
Brownie.
Oh my god, it's like,
Yeah, it looks like a brownie.
it's great, man. It is good. Surface tension. I don't know what this is, but I just said anything sour, and they said blanche. So they brought me this, and I'm like, all right, it tastes pretty good. What you get, Tyler?
Gin lemon. So I guess like gin and tonic, but
Nice.
lemon.
Tyler's the first person to do, what's that called, a planche?
Tuck planche hold.
Tyler's the first person to do a tuck planche hold
I don't get how
and Cinque Terre. Yo. We're just about to wrap up the night for tonight. We're gonna go to bed pretty soon just so that we can wake up at a reasonable time tomorrow so that we can go to the beach and grab some breakfast and check out on time and catch the train back to, I believe it's called La Spezia. So then from there we can head over to Pisa, and then from Pisa we'll be able to take, you know, the stereotypical leaning tower of Pisa picture, you know, holding it up and stuff like that. So that's what we plan on doing tomorrow. And aside from that, you know, just maybe grab some lunch, little macchiato and whatnot at that point, and kind of just chill, wrap up the day and whatnot. We still haven't done wine testing, so we are trying to look for something in that nature and you know, go sample some wine and whatnot at a vineyard, hopefully somewhere in Florence. But if we can't find anything, it's fine. But we are going to try to find something, which will be really cool. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you liked the slideshow earlier of my other pictures. And yeah, you know, we'll take it from there. Follow me on Instagram. Same username here, Unleaded Espresso. So yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. See you later, gamers. Have a good night.